on it. Good way to score. The silly penalty to give away, and that's what it's cost them. It's been put away.
Yeah, from 12 yards. I think supporters always think footballers should convert, but never as easy as it looks. But it was there.
Well, now it's 2-1. Some players limbering up for the away team. Substitution in the offing. Gonzalo Higuain. Well, this is what the possession has been so far. Something could be on here. And he's going to shoot. Excellent block by the defender. Can he turn away from the challenge here? Well, they've given it, the officials, as offside. Well, that's offside. And the official was absolutely right up with the play.
He was. This back four has been really organised and disciplined today, and the first time they've caught the opposition offside.
Well, the manager will be delighted with the way his team have played so far, but he's going to make a substitution here just to hope that he can retain this lead. And he ends with this shot. It's a goal. They've levelled it. Well, 4 goals equally shared at 2-2. Giamani. He's in quickly there, crisply too. Manager thinking for the away side, time for a change. We might look back at the end of the match at this decision, one way or another. The scores are level, and on he comes to try and tilt the game his team's way. And he heads it for goal. Super save and great handling. Oh, good skill, just to lift the ball there at the right moment. Sorting out now by referee Pantaloncini. Just a raised eyebrow from the player, but he did raise his foot, so he's going to get a yellow card.
Yeah, and just having a word with the ref, trying to appeal his innocence, but it's to no avail.
It's an opportunity for the substitute to really make himself a hero here. The game is level, and can he be the man? And that free kick could have got away from the goalkeeper, but he made sure it stayed in his grasp. We're all square still with the clock ticking on. A goal now, and one of these teams will win. Bate. Well read at a key time for the team here. Inland. Keeping the move going. Both fighting for the ball here, very nearly passed their way through them. The pass doesn't get through because the defender actually recognised the direction it was coming in quickly. Here we are with just 3 minutes remaining. Christian Maggio. Now they can break away. Not much time left. Mesto. Play building up nicely now. Catching practice here from the cross for the keeper. Well, it kept us on the edge of our seats, but final score is 2-2. Very close game. Neither side could really get themselves on top for long enough.
Both sides did have the chance.